So you finish painting, but you skip one thing to paint because you dredged painting it. That is the eyes. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 tips on how to paint the eyes. Tip number 1. Use a brush specifically only just for the eyes. It's just for that and nothing else. That way your paintbrush is going to have a nice tip for you to go and paint the eyes anytime you want. Tip number 2. Start with the eyes first. That way you can just fix any mistakes before painting the others. Tip number 3. If adding the black dot is hard, try reversing it, as in you paint the whole thing black first and then put the white dots on the left and on the right. Tip number 4. Get a magnifier. Trust me, this helps so much. Not only does it help you with dealing with the eyes, it also helps me find the details that I miss out. And finally, tip number 5. Use a drawing pen. Here, I use a Sakura Micron 0.1 pen. I hardly go back using the white paint followed by the black method anymore, because it's just easy. I just need to go and take out the pen and start drawing it. It's no problem. There you go. There's 5 tips to help you in painting eyes for your miniature. Leave a comment if you'd like to ask any questions. Thank you everyone. Thank you to Underground Hobby Shop for sponsoring this video. Do visit them for your miniature needs. Link in the description below.